Beyond the numbers, Julianne Chandler explores how technology is transforming the accounting profession. The world of accounting is undoubtedly changing. With the rapid technological improvements during the last decade, it has become extra evident that accountants must depend on more than simply their variety crunching competencies. One of the most extensive methods of technology transforming the accounting career is automation. With the introduction of various software and gear, accountants can now automate many mundane and repetitive obligations that were as soon as time-consuming. Some examples of obligations that may be automatic include facts access, bank reconciliation, and tax education. It not only frees up more time for accountants to be aware of higher price obligations but additionally allows them to offer extra correct and well-timed economic statistics to their customers or agencies. With the help of technology, accountants can now collect and analyze enormous quantities of statistics in actual time. With this wealth of information at their fingertips, accountants can offer valuable insights to agencies and help them make better informed choices. With superior software programs, accountants can now analyze massive datasets and hit upon anomalies extra effectively, reducing the hazard of fraud and mistakes. Cloud computing has been a game changer for plenty of industries, and the accounting profession is no exception. With cloud-based software, accountants can access financial records from anywhere in the world as long as they have an internet connection. The increasing usage of generation necessitates the employment of sophisticated cybersecurity techniques. Accountants must safeguard sensitive financial data from hackers and other online risks as they exchange and keep it electronically. There will be a greater need for accountants who can safeguard financial data as technology develops. Technology has additionally changed the way accountants engage and talk with their clients. With various communication gear and platforms to be had, it's far now less complicated than ever for accountants to stay related with their customers and provide real-time updates. With facts visualization tools, accountants can turn complex economic facts into easy-to-apprehend visuals, which include graphs and charts. This makes it easier for customers to understand their monetary statistics and lets accountants inform a tale with the numbers, making their work more excellent, enticing, and impactful. The way accountants engage with their clients has entirely transformed as a result, becoming more dynamic and engaging. To succeed in this dynamic industry as it continues to change, accountants will need to adapt to these changes and continuously improve their skills.